Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Saint Joseph High Secondary School, Umden, Kabupaten Hariboy District, mentak layo ida ka Madan ke bapaka, kamtam men penent kami ka performance step, haka bayang lan, haswabi ki kena kendrong syiki kelas. Ya kini Madan layo Lyngba ke jingrap jong MLE kini kathan Lyngba ke scheme SRWP jong snem arajar khat pra arajar khat kendai ha ka jinglot ke bakot arlak tengka. Ya kini Madan layo ban pleno ha ka jingilang ke lalong ha ka artrik mentau nai lor arajar khat kendai da u MLE ke nongpo konstituensi hi uba miral bonds ubra long u kongsan ha ka jingilang ringkat ke jingedon lang u parish priest ke Umden parish u father Peters le Ufada MC Thomas kiri rong ba bakan top uba SD Matong bat uba BS Teron bat lapni pui pieng ini jinglang da jingdon lang kino hikai bat ki khna jongani skol hagni sngi na kaliang ba mineral bonds ula IT ru ekawak ada na ka sound system jongani skol kabolo pniol ba scheme IACDP haga jinglot ka ba prapo jatangka bat nalor kani lokular ru ya keyboard punya jongani skol banyarap na kamta bachna yak fiberglass basketball board court ha kani hi kejuk asngi Lyngba scheme SRWP uba mineral bonds ula IT ru ekawak ada ka ba silak tengka na kapenta ka Don Bosco English School Umden ban penan kam ha ka bachna ka Madan Yang Assembly jongki khana school.
It's a privilege for me this morning to be a part of this very beautiful program organized by St. Joseph Higher Secondary School. It is indeed a proud moment for me too to be here today, to be in the same school compound, which I have shared few memories in the past when I was a student from class 4 to class 6 in this school. It reminds me of those days when I was a student here, when I was like all of you here today, those who are studying in class 4 to 6. And they are sweet memories, and they are bad memories also. It depends. It depends on circumstances that we are going through. They are sweet, they are bad also. But that is part of life, part of student life, that we have to go through. Each and every one of us, each and every one of you, you have been experienced this all through of your student life. At the same time, I am very happy to be here, and I am very happy to be part of this school, and at the same time, we are witnesses all the good deeds that has been done all through by the missionary in our beautiful country India. Since in the inception of the country and right from the past, India has been witness so many good deeds that have been done by the missionary across different countries. We cannot forget the footprint which has been left in this beautiful nation, especially in our beautiful state Meghalaya and Khasi Jaintia Hills. In this beautiful mountain, beautiful valley of this beautiful land, it has been blessed so much that we have seen today. Education has proved to be the best in this area, especially Shillong.
up and down, head up.